Alright guys, gals, welcome back to Step 1 Survival. I'm Staff Sergeant Badass. Today I've got a ton of crazy stuff that I want to share with you guys. Little items. But they're fun to look at. So, stick with me. Alright, this is kind of a found on Amazon kind of thing. So, I'm going to run you through all this stuff really fast. And I think you're going to enjoy it. All the links are going to be in the drop down. If you just click that, open it up, and they'll be right there. Let's get started with some of these items real quick. Dragon Creek Outdoors. Now, this is pretty slick and would be a great gift. And I'll say that for many of these because almost all of these are great gifts. This thing is nice. That's wood. It's a real wood sheath. Look at that guy. That is nice. Pretty cool, man. All right, we got Freelander. Here's another one we should probably pop open here. Take a look at. And they've got all kinds of knives like this for sale. I was looking at. It's a dagger. And you could throw that. Make a pretty good little... If you needed to. I wouldn't make it a thing. Because you could probably break that. Or maybe, possibly. I don't know. But, I've got throwing knives that are just like this. Really good knives. This one's from Sinxico, and we'll check it out. Really slick. Let's even get the paracord on it. Look at that. Whoa. That's a great little knife. So this will be, you'll see this in the drop down. If you want to pick up something like this, really nice, and you can change that out. That's removable. BASTION, and they make great pins, and they either have aluminum or steel. This one's aluminum, and they come in multicolors. Comes with a I believe that's a red, and then they have the black pin. I'll have to test it out on something. Let's grab this box and just scribble on it. Takes a minute. There we go. It has not been used yet. Yep. Whoa. How tough is it? Not a scratch. Right on a concrete floor. Look at that. It's a good pen. Yeah, go check that out. It's really light. It's aluminum. It's great self-defense steel. And while we're at it, Olight Balder S. This is BL, meaning blue. By BL, I mean blue laser. Anyway, I like doing stuff. It's like, dude, I'm so screwed up. Anyways, so it has the flashlight, and you can kind of see the blue. But let's just turn that off. You can see it creeping around there. Look at that. That blue laser. That's cool, right? Let's bring it over here so you can see it. So instead of green, instead of red, now you have blue. And this is compatible with anything from an XL frame to a mini frame. This weapon light will work on anything. Still has your particular type charger, has your adjustable laser. You can go left, right, up, and down, and you can switch between modes, just laser, laser flashlight, or just flashlight. Just give it a tap down, boom, and it comes on. To adjust this, just pop this guy, and it adjusts. You can slide it all the way back to where your finger guard is, trigger guard is, all the way back, just like that. Pretty cool. I thought it was nifty. But I've always liked their stuff. Let's show a multi-tool while I'm going on this. Multiper. This has all your tips, both double-sided. You got two sides to this. Multiple tips here. You got to pull that out of there. This isn't a bad gig for the price you pay. It really isn't a bad gig. Over here, got your. Just go through your different... Ooh, that's crazy looking. Yeah, Interesting. Got lock and unlock. That's pretty cool. Alright. So anyway, I was just checking out this lock and unlock for this. Then over here you got, there's your screwdriver tip. It comes out like that. And you just push this down and it brings it back down. There's your lock and unlock. So it's a little different than most of the multi-tools that I've handled. You just push this down and it brings it back. That's what was weirding me out a while ago. I was like, how do you close that? Because it doesn't have this here. So you mash this down and close it. Same with this guy here. Mash it, open it all the way up. Then you got your screwdriver tips. And then, let's see. It's this other side here. Got this fly bugging the crap out of me. There's that guy. And over here, again, you've got a lock and unlock. You just mash that. That's kind of weird. But it's got all the different fixings in here. And I think over here is probably a file. Nope, that's the big saw. Does it have a file? I guess it doesn't have a file. I guess all it's got is those other tools there. Let's see what we got in here. I wasn't sure about that. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. That's pretty cool though. Spring loaded, changeable tips. That's good stuff. Not bad. I mean, for what you're paying, dude. I mean, you got to think about it like that. You know, so, you're not paying some crazy. And we got these guys here. We're going to put them side by side. I know this is like competition here. Multi-tips across the top here and here. This company here, now they make a variety. I'll put the link to these guys too. They make a variety of these. I swear they look like another company, but they're good. They're good. I've got, I think, a few sets of theirs, and they make them in multicolors. So if you're looking for a particular color, they've got you covered. Let's go ahead and open this guy here. There's your, bring this guy out like that. Boom. Oop, there it goes. It has to lock so it can work. Until it locks, it stays like this. They're all like that. Like this. Chunk. I know you don't need sound effects. That's pretty nice. Nice little. Let's see what we got here. That's just like all the other. You got to take your thumbnail and go in there for it. That's cool too. All right, what we got? Nothing there. I know SOG's got that where it's got right dead center. It's got this place for a tip. You can actually put a tip or put a drill bit in there. I always thought that was pretty neat about those. I always still look for that. A whole assortment of fun stuff in here. Oh wow, that's just like somebody else I know. That's pretty cool though. I like that feature. It's got a diamond file. That's good. What is this guy and why can't I get it out? That was a tough one. There we go. Another flathead. And then there's your, okay, there's your can opener. You got all that stuff packed in that one side over there. And then over here, what have we got? Look at that. That's pretty dang neat. Does it turn around? Nice. That's cool. What? I'm seeing something else here. That looks, gosh, that almost looked like a whistle or something. I was like, no way. They did not do that. All right. That's enough on that guy. It's good. I for what you're paying for this, it's good. It's good. That's good quality stuff. All right. Moving on. Let's do, this is just some random knife. I thought it was some kind of crazy survival thing. It comes with this ferro rod and a striker. I'm going to put them in a drop down in case you just want this. It's got a little paracord, a little pouch. I have to show you the front and back because I want your opinion of it. It's got this, you know, that's all it is to it. It's just a simple little knife. It's very affordable little knife just to carry around in case you lose one. Bottle opener, flathead. It's got all your different little tips, belt clip or pocket clip, whatever you want to call it. It's got a serrated edge here, nice little groove there. But If you're looking for something, you don't care if you're going to lose, you're going to lose it. If you want one of those types of things, this is the kind of, you don't carry around your very expensive stuff, you know, in certain situations. So keep that in mind. All right. What we got next? I'm going to take this guy out the back because I have no idea who this is. I still have this fly looking crap on me. This is the same company from a while ago. I showed you this guy, same company. This is another one from them. Let's see what we got. This one's in Desert. Woo! That's got one heck of a thumper on the back of that. Nice clip. Nice little sheath. Whoa. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Serrated edge. Pretty thick blade. Pretty decent. That's a nice looking blade. Nice handle. It's very rubbery. I like that. That's cool. I like that knife. That's another good one from them. You got to check these guys out. At the Osite K. This is just a standard green dot. This will work on pretty much anything from XL to compact. Green dot, that's all it is. It's a shake awake. It's over 100,000 hours of operation. It's crazy how long these things last. You can look it up for yourself. I think it's actually, sometimes it's longer than that on most of these, but that's about the average. You pull the tab back here, activates the battery, and you're good to go. It comes with all of your mounting hardware. So if you're having trouble mounting something with other sets, you won't with Osite as you were. But this stuff, it comes with its own tool, own tips, and everything's already been Loctited. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good system. This is called a K370, and we're going to take a look at this. It's a clip-on flashlight, but it's such a cool little. It's very light. It's just got your simple charging port, your switches, big clip, magnetic. It's got a regular flashlight here. You can go through the settings and it changes colors the whole way through. And then I had this other option here. It's like this crazy rainbow thing going on. You can change it through here. Go to UV. Got your different UV setting too. Red. And you can hold, I think you can hold that down. There it goes. It puts on a crazy show. It just goes through all these lights. It's pretty neat. To keep pushing it, it'll keep running through them. A lot of these are like that. I like this one because it tilts. You can actually wear it and it kind of works kind of like a, a moonbeam. You know what I mean. Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. For those of you that would like something like that. It'll be in the drop down too. Alright. This crazy survival kit. Then we're going to get on to these last two knives. This is survival gear. This is from militarycart.com. If you're looking at crazy stuff like this, militarycart.com had a bunch of crazy stuff like this. Let's check this out real quick. So it's just one of those simple little box kits. I'll run through it real quick. You've got your space blanket, which is, that guy there. You've got your paracord bracelet, ferrocenium rod and all that jazz. Paracord. Drinking bottle holder. Compass. A little cheap pocket knife. Ferrocenium rod for fire starting. LED flashlight. They always come without the batteries. Self-defense pen and glass breaker. Wallet survival card for when you need to open that beer that's struggling. Whistle to call your friends to help open the beer. Set of screwdriver keys. Carabiner. Another carabiner. Lame fishing kit. And there's only one hook, a little piece of string, and yeah, it's a spork. Oh, I almost died doing that. That sucker was in there, man. Good Lord. All right. It went back in. Commando saw. Okay, tree. A limb of a tree. All right, I've got another EF blade for you guys. You guys know I like EF blades. There we go. This thing is a monster. Look at that sucker. Look at that. That thing is a monster. Yeah, I always anytime I see a EF blade, I don't even hesitate. I say, yeah, you should get that. It's good. You don't have to worry about those. Every one of mine are awesome. I've got a whole little collection here. It's a good looking thing. Heck yeah. All right, next up, we got the last two. Let's get through them. There we go. Look at that. Woo! Now that's slick. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, man. You could shave with that and check yourself out. That thing's nice. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff I'm telling you, like, I don't like to show you that, you know, the stuff that's like super cheap. I will share that type of stuff and then, you know, explain that this is very cheap and it's for, you know, beating up. But then there's some, you know. Let's see what they got next here. Oh, that's another cool setup. So you got, this is changeable stuff. It's got a ferrocenium rod you can attach to this. It actually comes with it. You just attach it to the side, and then they even give you a little bit of cordage. But this is the overall. This is the blade, dude. Look at that sucker. This thing's no joke. Holy moly, dude! You could whittle a tree with this. Look at that, dude. It's like a railroad track. It's crazy. It's nice though. Pretty nice little setup. And you can swap all this out, upgrade it if you want. They even give you the ferrule rod. It just goes on her here. Just click it in right there. It's a cool little setup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out those links in the drop down. Tell them BA sent you.